Hi, this is Harder, and we are doing CPM 6.2.1 multiplication and dilation. All right, so if you remember the last thing we were working on is rigid transformations. Now we're going to do something similar with this, except for we're going to take the shapes and make them bigger, right? So we're going to take and plot on 6-42, as I have here. We're going to take this and we're going to plot the actual points. All right. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to plot the points. So I'm going to go, first I'm going to write them. I'm going to go A is 2, 1, B is 3, 1, C is 5, 5, and then D is going to be 2, 5. Cool. So you have this here. Okay. So then I'm just going to plot this. So 2 over 2 and up 1, this is A. Then 3, 1, B. Okay. C is 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one is 2, 5 for D. So C and then 2, 5. 1, 2 and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is D. All right. So we're going to take this shape. We're going to draw the line. And draw the line. Make sure it is straight as straight can be. Okay. Okay. Now, the purpose of this is without graphing, predict how you would know what would happen if this was all multiplied by 2. I want you to look if you look from A to B, how it's one space, and then D to C is 1, 2, 3 spaces. All right. See how this is on 2, 1, 2, and then it's, over from C by 3 spaces. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the original shape by 2. This is called the scale factor. Okay. Scale factor. I'm going to highlight that word. And we are going to enlarge this shape by 2, but we're going to multiply it first. And we're going to get a new size. So this one is going to be 2 times 2 is 4, and then this is going to be 2. And then this new one is going to be 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. And then this one is, oh my God. All right, so then the next one is going to be 2 times 5. See, the 2 is 10 and 10. And then D is going to be 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 5 is 10. Now we are going to redraw this, all right, using these coordinates. So the new one is over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up to 1, 2. So that is the A, 1. B is over 6, so this is 4, 5, 6, and up to 1, 2, B1, okay. The next one is over 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's C1, and then 4, 2, 3, 4, and up to 10. See, it's going to sit on the same line as the D or the C. So this is D1. And if you look, this works out great because look, we made it bigger by multiplying it by 2. So the coordinates get bigger. But actually, we didn't even have to graph it because we could see it here with the scale factor multiplying it by 2. Now, if you look, it talks about test your predictions by doubling the coordinates. We don't have to double them because we just did. So we're going to go to 6-43. And I'm going to actually turn the page. Okay, and we are actually going to be looking at the graph right here. Okay, and see this triangle? We are actually going to use the coordinates of this triangle. So the first one is 8 and 6. Well, let me first off, so we've got a -6 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to put that as A. So it's a -6 and then up 8. Okay. And then we're going to look at the next coordinate on this one. Okay. And it is at, oh, -4 and 2. So B is -2 and 4. -2 and -4. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll say that's B. Hold on while I try to get this one. So then this last one is 6 and -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's C. 6 and -4. So this is one huge triangle. Okay. All right, perfect. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at what happens when we multiply, right? When we multiply the scale factor of 0.5 or 1/2, right? Well, let's just multiply it out. So this becomes A1 is going to be -3 and 4. B1 is going to be -1 and -2. And then C1 is 3 and -2. If we were to graph this out, this would be -3, 1, 2, 3, and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, A1. B would be -1 and -2, dot. And then this would be 3, 1, 2, wait a minute, 1, 2, 3, and down 2, 1, 2. So this is B1, C1. And look at, it is significantly smaller. Okay, so this would be a reduction. I appreciate it. See you later. See you. I'll come by.